Want to create stunning professional looking PowerPoint slide in just few minutes? Let me show you a mind-blowing trick that will instantly level up your slides. So let's get started. First, go to Shape and select Oval. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to keep it perfectly round. Now, press Ctrl D to duplicate it and place the copies neatly. Duplicate few more times and arrange them so it looks clean and organized. Next, select a rectangle and drag it. Then, select all ovals and rectangle. Go to Merge Shape and select Combine. Set Shape Fill to White and Shape Outline to No Outline. Go to Effects, Shadow. From Preset, choose Offset Bottom Right. Set Transparency to 0% and Blur to 1920 points. Look at the depth. Your slide is already popping. Now, go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and pick your forest image. Go to Animations, Motion Path, Lines. From Effect option, choose Right, tick Auto Reverse. In timing, set duration 3 seconds and start until end of slide. Right click and send to back so it doesn't cover your shapes. Select your text. Let's say the forest slide. Go to text option, gradient fill, preset gradients. Use the eyedropper to match colors from your image. Adjust tops, set linear type, and your text now perfectly blend with your background. Now click on slideshow and watch your slides coming alive. Look at the movement, depth, and color harmony, all done in PowerPoint. So that's it. In just few easy steps, you can create a professional animated eye-catching slides. No fancy software, no complicated tools, just PowerPoint and a little creativity. So, if you found this trick helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more PowerPoint hacks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial.